Hey guys, Kendra here. Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday number 2. Today we are going to be talking about using a visual number line as a tool for thinking. We are going to be going over many examples for when you can use a visual number line or a drawn out number line to help you think about numbers. Let's get started. Okay, here's our number line that we can visualize. If I asked you what number was right here in the middle on our number line, would you be able to answer me? No, you're not giving any reference point, and there's nothing on here to start with. It could literally be anything. So what if I give you that the number starts at 0 and the middle is 5 here? What can we say about other numbers on this number line? Well, we can say that 10 falls at the end here because it's twice the 5. We can say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tick marks in between the 0 and the 5, labeling 1, 2, 3, and 4, all supposedly equal, even though I did not actually measure them. Okay, so we have our number line 0 to 10. If I asked you what was 5 plus 3, you can think about starting at 5 and going 1, 2, 3, and knowing that our answer is 8. If I asked you 9 minus 7, you can think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 2. Or you can think of it as how many jumps to get down to 7. 2 jumps. If I asked you how far apart two numbers were, you can locate them in your mind on a number line, 3 and 9. You have to find the distance between those two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The difference is 6. So here we have another number line with 0 in the center. We don't know what each of these tick marks represent because no other information is given. They can literally mean any number. You need to know one other number in order to know more about the rest of the number line. For example, if I told you that this number right here was 24, then you know that between 0 and 24, there are 3 jumps. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. That tells you that you know each jump is worth 8. Each space between two tick marks represents the number 8. Now you can label any number on this number line. Take a moment. What number goes here? What number goes here? What number goes here? Pause the video and see if you can figure it out. What if I told you that 24 was now here? What does that say about the amount of space between the tick marks? What does that say about where the other numbers are placed? It adds 3 more spaces between where 0 was. But what if I tell you 0 is not even where it was? What if I told you 0 was here? Is that possible? What does that mean for this number right here? Here are some more number lines for you to look at. Try to place as many numbers as you can on each one. Notice the 0 is located at a different spot, if at all. Notice that some of the numbers are very small, and some of them are very large. See if you can place a few on each one. If you're thinking of all possible numbers between negative infinity and positive infinity, we know that 0 falls right in the center because 0 is our reference point to all numbers. If I tell you the number 12, we know that 12 is 12 larger than 0. If I tell you the number negative 25, we know that that is 25 less than 0. Think about numbers as a distance, a length. I find this strategy very helpful. This bar is 10. This is 1. This is 5. As you can see, it's half of the 10. This is 20. As you can see, it's twice of the 10. I know that was a little fast. You really do need to go back, rewatch, and pause after each little example to really process it. We all need think time. You got the pause button. Take advantage. Bye, guys.